Hi everybody, welcome back to Candy. We've got another beautiful piece of mulberry to show you. So this is the Mulberry Del Rey, and we've got 4 base studs along the bottom, and then we've got double top handles with the little mulberry cloche attached and the mulberry keyring in there as well. And then on the front, this is actually a flat pocket on the front with a flap closure and the iconic mulberry postman's lock. So I'll open that up and show you in there. So you can see we've just got one nice big flat pocket along the front of there. And then the main compartment of the bag has a zip top closure. So I'll open that up and show you inside there. So inside we've got that mulberry tree fabric lining, and then we've got the little mulberry tag there on the front of one zipped pocket. So you can see that zip still works really nicely on that little pocket there. And then on the opposite side, we've got one little flat pocket there. And then just underneath the zip top closure, you can see we've got the little mulberry padlock attached to the bag as well. The condition of this one, we have called good. You can see that it has been used in that leather. It's kind of lost its shape a little bit. It's quite flexible, but actually it is in a lovely condition. There's not really many marks or anything like that for me to show you on the leather on the exterior. Even the corners are still in a lovely condition, and along the base as well. So we've called it good. You can tell that it is pre-loved. You can see from the shape that it is pre-loved, but that leather is still in a gorgeous condition. There is just a little bit of wear to those handles along the inside. You can see on that trim there, and on the opposite side as well. So that is why we've called the exterior good. The interior, again, we've called good for a similar reason. You can see that it's still gorgeous in there. There's no particular marks or anything like that for me to show you, but you can just tell that it has been used before. There is a pre-loved bag, so that's why we've called the interior good. The hardware is in a lovely shiny gold tone, and you can see for the most part on this postman's lock that still looks lovely. There is a couple of little marks and things like that. The most wear to the hardware is on these base studs. You can see there's quite a lot of wear to the centre of those, but actually that gold tone is still lovely on most of that hardware. There is a little bit of discolouring on these handles. You can see in certain areas that gold tone's just faded a little bit. So we've called the hardware fair, but for the most part it is in a gorgeous pre-loved mulberry condition. So I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the original receipt, and then we also have the mulberry dust bag as well. So if you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. So you'll find some more details for it on there. That link should hopefully take you directly to this mulberry. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do is you can get on our request list. If you really love it, just let us know. We'll pop you on that request list, and that just means as soon as we get in another one like it, we will send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly the next time we have one in. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference if that's any help. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". You can see you can just pop it on your arm like that, and it's such a smart and kind of elegant looking shape, but super easy to use, so still makes a lovely everyday bag. So yeah, it is another gorgeous piece of mulberry for you. As I said, for more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel if you're a bag lover like we are, and have a look at the How to Sell With Us page on our website as well. So if you have any beautiful pieces of arm candy for us, we'd love to see what you have. So have a read through the selling process on there, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.